1. Have a recorder always close to you. Do you remember the last time when an amazing song drop just popped in your head? What did you do to make that thought not disappear? You probably fell asleep, as we all do, including me. Well, when I started to keep my phone in my bed so I can easily without much effort grab it and start recording, the amount of song ideas suddenly increased. Mostly great ideas pop in my head when I fall asleep, when I start to lose my consciousness, when I'm kind of in the middle of dreaming and staying alive state, but I still have the ability and enough willpower to sing that to my phone. 2. Listen to others' songs and try to copy ideas. There is nothing bad in copying someone's ideas. Mostly when you start with something someone made, you will still incorporate something yours and change someone's ideas into yours. 3. Just start. Making music is a logical process, and I feel like our minds are designed to come up with ideas and solutions depending on what you hear. So simply starting off with something random, experimenting will make you come up with something new and usually unexpected. And after you make something, I highly recommend to just export this as a sample, so then when you have no idea what to do, when you are out of ideas, you just use this sample in your songs. 4. Save your ideas into a notepad. Here's another way, totally separate than using recorder to save ideas. What I started doing recently is when I watch YouTube or I do something else on my phone and something inspires me, I take a screenshot and send it to my notepad. And then when I'm on my computer, I open a notepad and bam, I have that screenshot here, even with a little note of what to do about it. Also, you can use Notepad as a tool for writing lyrics, but save the thoughts quickly as they tend to disappear pretty fast. In case you wonder, my note-taking app of choice is Notion. Free software, it's available on Windows, Android and iOS, and when you log into your account you're able to access Note on any device. Also there's a web version. Also if you use the link in the description you will be able to get some additional features for free for like a couple of months. But it's not necessary, it's completely free to use. Also it's not sponsored, but I love this app. 5. Use VSTs that allow you to randomly choose sounds or that allow you to do something outside the box. Like ADSR Sample Manager allows you to randomly choose sounds, so you can without listening to the samples pick for example 10, 15 or how much you want samples and then use them to create your own track.